What's up, guys? Today we have another review on some more headphones, but today we're gonna be reviewing this guy right here, the Mpow Sport Earphones Wireless. Blah 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 blah. I have these two headphones, and the only reason I actually got these for is I like to listen to music when I do it in my gym, right? So I put my headphones on now, but when I put my headphones on, my headphones start to get really sweaty, stinky, and things like that. So I bought these things. This thing is the Mpow Sport Wireless Earphones, coming in at $20. Specification: wireless standard V4.1. Operation range 10 meters, pretty good. Standby time 220 hours. Charging time 1.5 hours. Talk/playing time 7 hours. Charging voltage DC 5 volts. Battery capacity 100 milliamp hours / 3.7 volts. Wireless profile HSP blah 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 blah. And over here it also has a description. I'm gonna go pretty close so you guys can read that. Hopefully you can, maybe not, but whatever. Now without further ado, let's just open this thing up. Open it from this side, and there you go. Wow, has a pretty nice case. And on with the next. Important notice: the headphones can only be charged by 5-volt adapters. USB ports only. Quick charging devices over 5 volts may cause heat and fire. So you cannot quick charge this thing. If you do, it's gonna blow up. And it's about Bluetooth connection, blah 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 blah. And Mpow. Well, I mean, it has lots of different devices and things like that. And yes, warranty policy, $20 coupons for new members, which is pretty good. Blah blah blah. I got all these different instruction manuals, which we will not be reading. So more blah 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 blah. And we got the case itself. Pretty cool case. Opening up the zipper, and we got the headphones right here, and we have different buds right here. Very generous of them. We got more different buds, and we got the standard charging cable output port thing. Put this in here, and we got all these different kinds of earpieces, which is very generous of them to do. Now here they are in their nice glory. They look like Beats, so these are actually fake Beats, if that's what you're gonna say. But we're gonna be testing out if they're like Beats or if they're not like Beats. Let me just take this port off. These are wireless again. Just gonna note that. And quality-wise, I have one of my cousins actually have the Beats version of this. I have seen, and the quality-wise pretty much feels like the Beats, other than this part right here, and has Mpow instead of Beats. So this part does not really feel like Beats. And so this is for the left ear. So this goes on like this. So this is for the right ear. But it feels a bit okay. So they're the Mpow things. As it looks on this side, and that's how it looks on this side. And these, remember, for the gym and that kind of music. So if you're jogging around, dabbing or something, or you're doing your push-ups, they're not gonna be falling off anytime. Oh, actually, they just fell off. But you can always switch out to the smaller ones, so it actually fits in your ear. These are way too big for me, and they won't go into my ear. If you can see that. But quality-wise, again, pretty nice. You got all this stuff. Very generous of them. For $20 only. You don't get that with the Beats though, so that's kind of sad. And this for the buttons, okay. That is the volume up and down button, and that is the power button right there. So you press the Mpow logo right here, and that clicks, and you turn that on. So when you turn it on, here you go. The lights start flashing like that, and there you go. Now you can connect, and this thing should be connecting. I finally got everything connected, and I finally got everything connected, and these top things are actually really useful because the Mpow Flame things will actually not go into my ear. Like, it's just not going inside for some reason. So these top things are really helping out for that reason. And let's play some music. See how good these things are. These things sound nice. Wow. I actually did not expect that for $20. These things sound really nice, and they're that small. Wow. Okay. It's found where the charging port is. These things sound very nice with the dubstep. Everything is really clear, and it sounds like those $50 headphones. Maybe even better, and these are only $20. Plus, they won't be coming out of your ear anytime soon. Not too much, huh? And you can also kind of hear them. So you know, if they're dangling, if people go like this to you, then they can hear them. But otherwise, no. Now we're gonna play some vocals, some bass, all those different kind of music. These things are loud. As soon as you put them in your ear, you can feel that shock of loudness. Wow, these things are loud. I'm gonna play some vocal. I wanna see how good the tweeters are on this. So far, so good. Amazing for $20 right now. Guys, for $20, this thing is a steal. They sound basically 95% like Beats, and 95% of the quality is basically just like Beats. The only thing you're not getting from Beats is that B logo. You're getting a Mpow logo instead. But guys, if you're looking forward to getting Beats, don't get Beats and just get these things. They're so much cheaper. They sound exactly the same. Quality is exactly the same. And if you really want that Beats logo, all you gotta do is just like I don't know, apply this thing off and put a circle Beats logo. I guess that will work. I don't know. Maybe yes, maybe no. But so I'm gonna be testing out the bass on this thing. So long. This thing is amazing. And I'm gonna be trying. Okay. In conclusion, these headphones are amazing. I'm gonna be doing these headphones in my next video. I'm gonna have a link up there somewhere, somewhere up there. And these are also like some copies of the Galaxy Pods, but these are amazing. For $60, these things are really good. Now the Mpow, if you're looking forward to buying headphones, or you're looking forward to buy the Beats version of these, just get the Mpow, guys. And then if you don't like the Mpow is basically like 95% Beats. So you're basically getting a really accurate answer if the Beats are good or they're not good. And you get a cool case, and you get all of these tips. Like you got the small ones, you got the big thick ones, you got all these different kind of tips, and you have charging cable. Awesome case, definitely worth the shot. And if you go to 2 hours of gym every day, this thing's totally worth it because it won't be coming off your ears or anything like that. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Leave a like, smash the subscribe button. I don't know, whichever one you're gonna do. It's really gonna support my channel. And thank you guys so much for watching. And you should definitely check these things out. Bye.